What if your business had a CFO that can instantly identify $127,000 in hidden cash flow savings? I'm about to show you exactly what an AI CFO agent can do for your business, finding money you didn't know you had, modeling growth patterns to help you scale, and preparing board presentations that turn disasters into victories. This isn't real AI, it's carefully crafted keyword matching and pre-written responses that create the illusion of intelligence. But this demo will show you the real business value of AI agents and how they can transform your financial decision making. Let me walk you through the hidden cash discovery that changes everything for businesses on the edge of running out of money. Most business owners think they know exactly where their money goes. They review their monthly statements and feel confident about their spending. But there's a blind spot that's costing them thousands every single month, and they don't even know that it exists. Here's a problem that even experienced CFOs miss in their monthly reviews. Your business has money flowing out through dozens of different channels. Software subscriptions renew automatically. Vendor contracts get forgotten. Operational processes waste hours of paid time. Most financial reviews only catch the obvious expenses. The hidden ones keep bleeding money month after month. The shocking reality is that businesses often have significant operating costs tied up in inefficient processes they can't see. For a business burning $280,000 per month, these hidden costs can be substantial. The problem is that these costs are spread across so many different areas that they are invisible during standard financial analysis. Traditional financial analysis takes weeks and often misses the biggest opportunities sitting right in front of you. Your accountant looks at categories like marketing, payroll, and office expenses, but they don't connect the dots between duplicate software licenses, unused vendor contracts, and inefficient workflows. They see the individual line items, but miss the patterns that reveal waste. Let me show you exactly how the AI CFO agent identifies these hidden costs. I'm going to walk you through a real scenario where a business owner complained about having only an 8-month runway. The agent immediately started analyzing their spending patterns across every category, and here's what happened in real time. The demo system quickly flagged redundant tools, unused contracts, and manual workflow inefficiencies. It followed multiple software subscriptions for the same functionality, vendor contracts that were automatically renewing for services no longer needed, and operational processes that were burning through paid hours unnecessarily. Here's where it gets interesting. The burn rate calculation changes in real time as each savings opportunity gets identified and quantified. The original burn rate was $280,000 per month. As the agent found each waste category, the projected burn rate dropped significantly. But the agent wasn't done. It identified the biggest opportunity sitting in plain sight: outstanding receivables that were never properly collected. The business had money owed to them that they'd forgotten about or never followed up on. The runway extension happened live as the numbers updated automatically. The original 8-month runway was based on the $280,000 monthly burn rate, but with the waste eliminated and revenue opportunities identified, the burn rate dropped to $153,000 per month. That's a 45% improvement. Here's the complete breakdown of the $127,000 in savings. Software consolidation saves $11,000. Marketing optimization eliminated $22,000 in wasted spending. Working capital recovery brought in $85,000 through better receivable management. The combination extended the business runway from 8 months to 14 months. The business owner went from panic mode to having breathing room to execute their growth strategy. They could hire the sales team that they needed. They could invest in marketing campaigns. They could take calculated risks because they have financial cushion. The cash delivery is just the beginning of what AI financial analysis can accomplish for strategic. Finding hidden money is powerful, but the real question becomes what to do with that breathing room. With 14 months of runway instead of 8, you suddenly have options. But which growth strategy actually gives you the best chance of success? The growth path that guarantees your success. The agent runs 3 complete growth scenarios simultaneously, calculating success probabilities for each path. And I'm going to walk you through the exact analysis that happened when a business owner needed to get from 12 million to 50 million ARR. The agent analyzed their current metrics, their gross margin, customer acquisition cost, and market position. Then it modeled 3 different strategies in real time. Here's the specific analysis of the 3 growth scenarios with real numbers. Scenario A, focus on aggressive sales scaling with an $8 million investment requirement and a 65% success probability. Scenario B centered on product-led growth with enterprise features requiring $5 million in investment with a 78% success rate. And scenario C involves geographic expansion with a $10 million investment and 52% success probability. The reality is that most growth decisions are based on gut feelings rather than data-driven probability models. Business owners look at what worked for other companies and what their advisors recommend. They make million-dollar decisions based on instinct. They pick a strategy and hope that it works, but hoping isn't a business plan. Traditional business planning involves months of spreadsheet modeling that's often wrong by the time you implement it. You hire consultants who spend weeks building financial models. They create projections based on assumptions that change every month. By the time you get their recommendations, your market conditions have shifted. The models are outdated before you can use them. And this demo demonstrates how these kinds of modeling can take minutes, while real consultants take weeks. Here's how the agent factors in investment requirements and success probabilities to rank each strategy. Scenario A's aggressive sales scaling carried higher risk due to the complexity of scaling sales teams rapidly. The $8 million investment included hiring costs, training programs, and infrastructure development. Scenario C's geographic expansion required the largest investment at $10 million, but showed the lowest success probability at 52% due to the regulatory challenges and market entry risks. The probability calculations updated and showed which path offers the highest chance of reaching 50 million ARR. Scenario B emerged as the clear winner with a 78% success probability and moderate $5 million investment requirement. The product-led growth strategy with enterprise features leveraged the company's existing product market fit while requiring less capital than the alternatives. The recommended product-led growth strategy came with exact investment requirements and timeline projection. The $5 million investment would be spread strategically over the implementation period. The model shows break-even at month 14 and a clear path to $50 million ARR, and the strategy included month-by-month projections showed customer acquisition costs dropping significantly as the product features reduced friction and improves conversion rates. This strategic modeling becomes crucial when you need to present to investors or to board members who want to see data-backed growth plans with clear probability assessment. But even the best growth strategies can't protect you from every challenge. Sometimes you need to walk into high-stakes meetings when the numbers aren't what everyone expected them to be. The board meeting recovery that saves your business. Now, you're walking into a business meeting with red numbers across every slide, and you need a turnaround plan that rebuilds confidence instead of making excuses. This is a nightmare scenario every business owner faces. Walking into a board meeting with terrible numbers and no clear recovery plan. You know the questions they'll ask. You know they'll want answers you don't have. You know your company valuation is about to take a hit because you can't explain what went wrong or how you'll fix it. Most executives spend days preparing damage control presentations that still result in lost confidence and reduced valuations. They create defensive slide decks that focus on excuses rather than solutions. Traditional financial advisors take weeks to create turnaround plans while your board loses faith in your leadership abilities. Let me show you how the AI CFO agent instantly analyzes a Q3 miss and identifies exactly which levers to pull for a complete narrative turnaround. And I'm going to walk you through what happened when a CEO faced a $500,000 shortfall, hitting 2.1 million instead of 2.6 million target. The agent ran a root cause analysis in real time and found the specific drivers. 40% from delayed enterprise deals, 35% from SMB customer churn, and 25% from accelerated hiring costs. The agent creates a structured 5-slide presentation that transforms the miss into a credible recovery story. Slide 1 acknowledges the reality without excuses. Slide 2 breaks down the root causes with specific percentages. Slide 3 presents turnaround proof points showing 127% of target in October bookings and 60% churn reduction. Slide 4 outlines the strategic pivot. Slide 5 delivers an updated forecast showing a path to beating targets by 20%. The AI keeps the conversation on track even when board members ask unexpected questions. This level of real-time strategic preparation transforms how executives handle their most challenging financial conversations. The real power of an AI CFO isn't just in finding money or modeling growth, it's in giving you the confidence to make million-dollar decisions with data backing every single choice. You're not guessing anymore. You're not hoping your strategy works. You have real analysis supporting your every move that you make. This is the future of business financial management, and the companies that adopt it first will gain a competitive edge over the competition. While other businesses spend weeks creating financial models, you'll have answers in minutes. While they're making decisions based on gut feelings, you'll have probability calculations and risk assessments. Consider how an AI CFO agent could integrate with your existing financial system to unlock similar benefits in your business.